How to change notifications logo on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change notifications logo on Ecwid, easy and quick. First open your browser and then once you're here click settings and now click notifications and then once you're here all you need to do just scroll down until you find here logo and then click change logo and now select any logo you want here and that's it. Just click on it and wait, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you. It's easy. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.